In this video, I'll show you how to book hotels through Skyscanner. Alright, so first and foremost, what we want to do is switch to hotels because it's going to be on flights by default. Now, next up, we need to choose our destination. Now, it says you can put in the hotel name, but that didn't work for me, as you will see when we're done here. Next, set your check-in and check-out dates, as well as if you need free cancellation and if you only want to see 4-star hotel options. So here we'll set our check-in and then our check-out and then the number of people and rooms and then hit search. Now you'll see here it didn't work for me. So what I'll do is I'll just change to the actual place instead of the hotel name and just hit search hotels. And here you'll see a whole bunch of options pop up. So let's just say we want this one. Now we click on go to site and that is going to take us to the actual site that is hosting these hotels, as Skyscanner does not host the hotels. It's just like a directory of sorts. And then it's going to take me to the specific website. So for this one, it's booking.com. And then I can proceed to book from there. We're not going to go over this because it's going to be completely different depending on what site your lodging is. And that's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.